Considering the vastness of the universe and the potential for infinite planets, what are the odds that somewhere out there, a planet exists with a civilization at the exact same technological stage as us? More than 0, less than 100. If you assume infinite planets, you can theoretically have the possibility as 100, but without infinite planets, ID wager probability drops to near 0. The Drake equation attempts to get a handle on this very question. Drake states that given the uncertainties, the original meeting concluded that NL, and there were probably between 1,000 and 100 million planets with civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. https://n.m.wikipedia.org Wikidrake equation. It should be 100, but that is only if the universe is infinite. But then again, if universe is infinite and you existing at the same point of time, at the same planet, same sun, same system, same life, etc., etc., is also 100. That's how big infinity really is. 50. There either is or there isn't. 10? Hard to calculate, so we don't know. Maybe 0. Maybe very likely we're not even sure there's life at all other than us, or if there is, it's alive right now as opposed to a billion years ago, or if they are just microbes. If you want to think of space as infinite, then the odds are 100. If you want to think of it as finite, then probably pretty low. Probably almost 0, but not 0. We simply do know, and making any sort of guess you need to base it mostly on assumptions for which we do not yet have evidence for. Either 0 or 100 chance. Exact, 0. Similar, 100. Convergent evolution is proven many times over in even short periods of time. I think the actual similarity resides in our actual star type G, which is actually uncommon. Less than 8. Pair that with us having a huge stabilizing moon, multiple protective gas giants, and plate tectonics, the perfect storm becomes more and more apparent. What always baffles me most is the sheer distance between celestial objects. Something like every nebula you've ever seen imaged is inside our own galaxy, and our galaxy is a tiny blip in the filaments of the entire cosmic web. Well, if there are truly infinite planets, and if life is not unique to Earth alone, then not only will there be a world with similar tech as us, but there will be also Reddit site with a user named ubigrubarb2812. In an infinite universe, there are an infinite amount of planets at the same civilization stage as us. People are just not understanding how large infinity is. Not only is there a civilization that is the same, there is another you. Assuming infinite 100. It would be hilarious if they already had the iPhone 16.